Alright, another day of hunting. This will be day 41. No. Day 41? No. I don't know what day I think it's day 41 of my 365, so this will be day 41. And I'm out here hunting. This time I am not using a 30-06, and it's aught 6, not odd 6 for all you people that might think it's odd. But I'm shooting a 7mm today, which is a beast of a gun. If you don't know anything about 7mm, I don't really either, but I know it's more powerful than 30-06, 270, 308, all that kind of stuff. So pretty awesome gun, and I get to use it because it's my papa's gun. It's not my dad's or anything. And having a fun day. Had to work today till 4, and I had to work last night until 11. So I'm pretty tired, but I love hunting. So I'm out here waiting for deer. I'm a little bit too loud, but I'm just doing this video real quick before I hunt, and I might have a little scope thing again, because last time I thought I saw a deer through the scope. That's why I showed you a little video of it. And it has to be, because I'm looking at the same spot today, and there's nothing there no more. So it had to be deer, or some animal. But yeah, hopefully shoot a deer today, and I'll talk to you guys later.